Let's start by defining some of the terms we'll use today. First is CPE. This stands for Customer Premise Equipment and includes equipment like phones, wiring, and everything that's not owned by the telephone company. As the name implies, it's located on the customer's premises. Next is PBX for Private Branch Exchange. A PBX is a telephone network within a company. It can be thought of as a much smaller version of the PSTN. The PBX allows calls within the office to be completed without using the telephone company's equipment. The next term is call center. A call center is a facility used by large and small organizations to handle incoming and outgoing calls. Essentially, the call center is hardware, software, and individuals that together are able to support the company's efforts to interface with its customers and partners. Finally is ACD, which stands for Automatic Call Distributor. The ACD is a part of the call center. It sends incoming calls to specific employees based upon predetermined rules. For example, if a sales representative covers customers within a particular area code, calls from that area code are automatically routed to that representative.